Honey Badger here doing a walkthrough on Alliance Valor 41V15 fifth wheel toy hauler that has it has a lot of stuff. I mean, you're talking about a 15-foot garage, and as you know, it's tough to find a fifth wheel toy hauler with a lot of storage, 15-foot garage, bath and a half, king size bed. This checks off the majority of the boxes. The box that doesn't click off, of course, it's 45 feet in total length. That's the only way you get all these features. But you got nice windows in the back. You get the nice patio deck with the nice doors. They even put an awning that goes over the patio. So on those rainy days or those intense sunny days, you still get cover. And that's really awesome. It makes it feel like it's a little party area. The half bath, well, let's just call it what it is. It sucks. Most half baths suck in a fifth wheel toy hauler because there's just not a lot of space to put one. But you still get washer dryer hookup, you get recliners, you get a full residential refrigerator. And then if we walk into the bedroom, or as we walk into the bedroom, you're going to get a king size bed and still plenty of space to put all of your clothing. And as we go into the bathroom, let me kind of go over that. You don't get everything you want in one of these, right? But the bathroom ain't bad. The toilet's in a decent position. Now, I know I talk about that probably a little too much, but you got to have some chicken wing space. Good counter space for all your bathroom needs. Halfway decent shower. Now, I'm not going to say you're going to get two grown adults in there if you get my drift, but, you know, you could at least fit one adult, maybe two children, you know, to be able to get all showered up after a day out in the desert. I still like the flip up little thing. You're going to see that as we go along, but that little flip up counter for the island was so brilliant. Get little bar stools there. You got a little place to eat. They put a nice deep pantry in. It checks off probably 7 out of 10 boxes that most people want. You can't go wrong. And the best part is it was built by the same guys who started Heartland. So those guys that built that amazing toy hauler originally called the Cyclone or the Road Warrior, they were the originators of it. So they know what they're doing. They know what they're talking about. And of course, in the top right-hand corner of this video, yeah, there's another fifth wheel toy hauler walkthrough you want to click on because I think you're going to enjoy it.